button on there that says sign up now. Once they click that button, it's going to be an application. Within 24 hours of them doing the application, they're going to get a survey that asks them 6 questions. Once they do that, they're going to get an email that says, hey, here's where your interview location is.
So the survey, because I feel like I need also put out an application.
You haven't got the survey yet? Because I haven't sent it out yet. I'm here with you right now.
So you were saying earlier, so say they don't have access to Facebook or whatnot, can they go into their office and do it at the mall?
Yeah, they can come up to Catfish Express and I have my laptop set up because that's where I am, or they can go meet with Mr. Dan and she'll pull it up for them.
And then, okay, that's in the community room.
Yes.
And our community room is going to be moving upstairs as we speak now. We're not there now, but as we speak later on, we're going to be moving upstairs.
Another question some people in the community might ask is, what's the starting pay?
The starting pay is anything ranging, we're paying our employees, listen, to give you guys the inside, and I read this down and they were pretty happy about it last week. I'm paying my employees way more than what we're taking from. So call centers normally pay an average of about $10 to $11 to $12. I'm paying my starting pay at $13 to $15 if you are a regular worker. I'm paying my managers, if you get hired on as a manager, I'm paying you $18, plus you're going to receive a cell phone to where even when you're not at work, you can monitor call service levels. The reason why is because what I found out in doing this, let's just say I bring on Comcast. Comcast is literally paying me a bonus of $25,000 every 3 months if my managers keep our service levels within 90%. I want to be able to give that back to the workers. That's 25, and you think about this, how many call centers have people working that you don't see none of that money, but everybody on top gets that bonus for the work that you do. We're trying to put this backwards. I've asked everybody on my board to only take, and I just told this to Greg, I've only asked everybody on my board to take $3 per person per hour per account that we bring people on. Because I want to pay my people more. Because I just have a vision that if you are the worker, and you're putting in the work and you're making us look good, I need to treat you like that, or else you're going to quit. And I don't need people quitting, because this isn't going to go anywhere. Just imagine you becoming a manager. I know your sons have their own business. Imagine you becoming a manager and I come to you and say, hey, I love everything that you're doing for a year. You've been doing this and that. We're going to fly you into your own call center. Think of your name. Tell me what you want to do. And my marketing team is going to help you recruit. We're going to help you bring people in. But the key to this is, imagine having a 16-year-old kid that just turned 16 saying, I want a job. And you saying, well, you better sit down here at this computer and log into this account and give me 4 hours a day. Because one, he's paying himself, but he's also paying you, so the money's staying within the household. And this is something that I know that other people and other coaches do every day.
So here'll be a minute. CW with it, because they told me you just came in.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Hey, CW.
Now CW is here because he's going to talk about the TV. Tell him, come on. So we're going to, to see what's happening, be part of that. And I'm just glad my officers are here because they walk the street. These officers walk the street every day. They know every apartment, they know everything. So that's why I take care of them and they take care of me. We are a SWAT team. We the best. I'm telling you, now you bother any of them, believe it or not, I got my secret weapon. We know how to take you out. I'm serious on that. Don't bother none of them. Bother the others. Don't bother them. So, see there anything else?
Basically, that's it, Ms. P. Here to serve.
Okay. And he's going to be doing some filming because what this will do, he's going to show this on his talk show, on his show on TV. So anybody else that say anything, I'm going to let y'all, don't forget to buy a ticket. How much are the raffle tickets, Rita?
$2, and we're raffling off these beautiful gift baskets here. Very nice, high-end purses in here, body wash, wine glasses, candy, candles, just a whole lot of stuff.
And it benefits what?
It benefits Rita Sue Will Productions, and it's to help us with the production of our first stage play, Those Christians Over There, which will be it will be November the 17th, and it will be at the African American Museum in Fair Park, downstairs in the AT&T Auditorium. And so we also have some T-shirts here and some coffee mugs, and we'll sell those for $10 each. And once again, so we don't have a sponsor. We're just, all of this is coming out of pocket. So we're just using this to help for the cost of the production of the play. And so we're gonna do the drawing today and give away each of these baskets. So if you would like to purchase a ticket, it's $2. Arinsky has a ticket, so you can give the money to Mary.
Okay, thank y'all.
I forgot to mention one thing. For the play itself, the tickets are $10 each, $12 at the door, and the VIP tickets are $25. I forgot to mention that.
Good, okay.
Yeah. All right.
First winner.
Here we go. Drawing number 2.
Talk to him.
Talk to him until he takes my ticket before he comes.
Oh, he,
I said nice and loud.
When's the next one, Rita?
4, 5, 5, 8.
3, 2,
4,
4,
5,
5, 5, 8.
Oh, wait, oh, that's me.
Yay!
I gotta mix the bowl up, mix the bowl up.
wait a minute. All the cops are winning all the bowl baskets.
Mix the bowl up.
We mixed that.
This was right.
That was all.
Yep.
That's what she made. Yay!
We love the blue. Can't you tell?
Mixing. Tossing.
The men are winning. The men are winning.
3, 2, 4,
Which kitchen was going
5, 6, 7.
Oh!
Okay.
5, 6, 7, man. Let's count off next again.
There you go, choose which one you want.
6, 7.
Get the yellow one.
The yellow one. What's in the yellow?
You can't go in them. You gotta just pick. You gonna try to examine and open it up.
All right. Hey,
Nice.
hey, thank y'all.
Yeah.
Thank y'all. I need to fade the light over there. There you go.
Last one.
I'm going to the casino.
Hey. We just already hit the jackpot.
3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 3.
Right here.
Thanks everybody for participating.
We love the blue.
Hey, Rita,
We have one more to give away.
make sure you get a picture with Greg by all your stuff and everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so we do have one more.
We have one more to give away.
3, 2, 4.
Wait a
Listen
minute.
up, 3, 2, 4.
This nice little cute Gucci bag. Okay.
Gucci.
3, 2, 4, 5, 8, 2. That's probably him.
Nah, I went from 56 to 55.
3, 2, 4, 5, 8, 2. Baby, is that my ticket?
It's about the last. It's about the last. One of the last tickets.
No.
Okay.
Hold on, wait. Oh, I'm sorry. 3, 2, 4, 5. Oh, that's me, actually.
Gucci.
4, 5, 8, 2, right? That's what you
Yes.
said. Oh, yeah, there you go. That's
You ain't even paying attention.
Thank you.
All right, Lucky.
it. Lucky, there you go.
Yeah, Lucky.
Oh, yeah. How you doing? Rita Williams. Nice to meet you too.
Welcome her to say hello, y'all.
Hello, y'all.
We want to welcome her and say some words. Yeah, we appreciate you coming, gonna take a picture and everything. Yeah.
I just wanted to come by and show my support. I actually have a couple of neighborhoods over here, the Elderwoods neighborhood, which is right down here at Redbird Lane and Hampton. And since this is just one of the areas that I cover, Just wanted to come by to show my support.
Awesome, thank you for stopping by.
That's all I was
And we got some
doing.
raffles here. Miss Williams, she's doing a play, and we've had this. And our whole thing was just to bring people here to network and talk. We would normally do a big one. We just want to come and talk and share.
Okay.
And so just glad to welcome you. We got our officers over here, and then we have Andre. Everybody introduce yourself so she'll know who's here and what you all do.
I'm Rita Williams, her daughter, the one who's doing the play.
Okay.
That's me.
These
Nice
are her
to meet you
gift
too.
bags and stuff like that.
Yeah, we did gift. We raffled off gift baskets. Officers won 3 of them, and then he won one of them.
Awesome.
And Greg
And who
won.
else? Everybody
Greg
else
won,
introduce
yeah. Okay.
Already introduced myself.
Yes, you did.
Me also.
Yes, you did.
And Jeanette has our center at the mall where she does a partnership with the police department and with the community needs. So anytime there's a need in our community, Jeanette is our 911.
Oh, you're well known, Miss Pemberton. You are a rock star among our program.
Okay,
Okay.
and,
So how you doing? I'm Andre Butler. I'm,
Nice to meet you.
all right. I'm actually one of the project coordinators for Oak Cliff's 115th birthday celebration. And I do some community organizing. Miss T right hand man.
That's a good place to be in.
Yeah. She definitely is.
Oh, yeah, everyone has awesome things to say concerning Miss P.
Then in regards to the business program, what all do you actually do?
Well, there,
well, it's not what they do, it's what they don't do. There's the support
look,
arm.
Miss Pemberton happened to have a little negative experience because she got a very young visitor.
No, it's not negative. I'm saying what they don't do. They're very supportive. Oh,
Yes.
We had Danielle first.
Oh, yeah, Danielle was
was
excellent.
Yeah, and then we had, we always, I say what they don't do is what they come in their partnership from the mayor's office liaison to make sure we do outreach programs.
Yes, and various communities. And we're basically into 4 groups now. It used to just be neighborhood associations, neighborhood community, help to build up those that and support those that are out there, but also resource manager for over 33 years. I've been in ministry as secretary in prison ministries for 35 years. So my background brought me to this particular area because I had a lot of nonprofit and faith-based. So, because, so I wanted to come over on this side and see how really the political side was being run.
Oh yeah, because there's kind of been a disconnect between the nonprofits and the actual city. So it's definitely an opportunity there to kind of come in and fill in the space and be that liaison between the city.
Yeah, and just to see how it's run because I had no knowledge, you know.
Now, where are you originally from?
I'm from Dallas.
Oh, really? Wow.
Born and raised. I was the actual president of the Booker T. Washington Alumni Association, Arch Magnet, since the building of the new building and all that, from 2006 to 2012. I was the president of the Alumni Association. So I was part of the building campaign and do all that. So,
and then can I get your name again? I'm sorry.
Cecilia Howard.
Cecilia Howard.
Yeah, so I came with a lot of experience, but none in the political arena. So that was, something I wanted to learn about. So that's why I did it, because I was able to do it. And to find out what was going on, to be able to be more of a service, in the things that we're doing in the community.
Yeah, I want to say some information about we getting ready to do Oak Cliff's 115th birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
It'll be September the 22nd.
Okay.
We're celebrating Oak Cliff's 115 years.
So where are you having the celebration?
Well, we're gonna do a parade march, and then we're gonna start at Park Quinn, and then we're gonna go all the way down to the mall.
Awesome. So straight down to Camp Wisdom. Yeah.
So give us your card. We'll make sure you get that.
Do you have a card or information? You have an email address here?
Yes, I can give you my email address.
I got a piece of pen.
They've been telling me about.
I got a piece of paper and pen.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining Premium Calls. We are looking to hire you. Every Thursday and Friday, we want you to be up at Southwest Center Mall at the community room downstairs. We are looking to hire 45 people a month to help you change your life. If you want to work from home, if you can pass a background check that does not have a fraudulent charge on there, we want you. The way you can sign up is go to Facebook, type in Premium Calls, click on the sign up now button, and you're going to get your application. Within 24 hours after that, you're going to get your survey. Within 48 hours after that, you're going to get your location to come do your group interview. If you are interested and want to work from home and make a decent salary, please give us a try. Premium Calls, guys. Love you to death.
Awesome. Remember, / on Facebook, Premium Calls. Sign in, and then you'll receive all your information you need to continue your process. It's easy. We are here to hire you. It's a great place to be. Thanks.